Classic Truck Rescue, welcome back to the channel, folks. Today I'm doing a product review on the Dovoh 3-plane laser level. I need to use this today. My buddy Randy, who came over and helped me put the roof and 3 of the walls on my building, is coming back either today or tomorrow to put the final wall, the 2 bay doors, and the man door or person door on the building. But before he can do that, I have to get my tractor out and scrape all the dirt along the last side of the building that needs walling so that it's level and at grade. This is going to help me do this. I'm going to do the unboxing real quick. This is supposed to be state of the art as far as laser levels go. Here, I'll let you watch. Instruction manual. That's a really thick user manual. Must be because there's a lot of languages in there, but we'll give her a read. This is a laser line brightness guide. The left and right side of the horizontal line will be dimmer than the left and right side of the vertical line. This is normal condition due to the characteristics of laser diodes. Please use bright sides to achieve the best results of visibility. Okay, so everything looks pretty well packed. I'm assuming that's the battery. The battery charger. Here's the target plate. I don't know that we'll be using that. It also has a magnet on the top, I see. I don't know that we'll be using that because we have this. Here's a pair of goggles. Am I making a fashion statement? I guess these make it easier to see the LED light, the laser. 2 batteries, the charger, this. I'm imagining there's a cord. Here's a cord. Wow, a remote with an H and a V. I bet that stands for horizontal and vertical. Here's the mount. Oh, I can put this on my camera tripod. But it also has a clamping feature right there. Got a height adjustment. You would think that this would tighten. Oh, it does. Okay. So, I'm going to be honest with you. I saw another guy do a review on one of these, and he was complaining about this height adjustment right here, this wheel on the side, because he said that his unit would drop. I think you're supposed to tighten this wing nut in the middle here, and that'll keep it from dropping. Pretty sure. It has a clamping feature right here on the top. And also a magnet right there. So I can see that being handy. Sufficient. Here's the unit itself. So that's the laser level. I do like the way the foam is in the case for holding everything where it belongs. Interesting. The receiver comes with a carrying case with a belt loop on it. No, this receiver is compatible with all Dovoh laser levels. You can use this receiver with different levels, but they have to be 10 kilohertz. It is not compatible with rotary laser levels. Okay. Oh, and it has a bubble level in the bottom of it. That's kind of redundant, folks. Okay, how's this go? How does that go? Maybe there's some information in here. Oh, user manual. guy, man? Where's the guy? Okay, so here's the last wall that we have to put on the big building. And what I need to do today is I need to go down to this bottom board, the baseboard there, and make the ground level with that all the way across. You can see it's got a few spots where it's a little higher. I'm gonna go ahead and set this bad boy up. Okay, the light's a little hard to see during the day, or when it's this bright out anyway. I'm gonna go ahead and use this thing though. All right folks, I ran into a little problem when I was out there leveling the ground next to the building where the last wall is going. I did get the ground leveled and job's done. I'm ready for Randy to come Monday morning. The problem that I had is the camera doesn't pick up the laser very well at all. I was able to see the line fine and I got my job done, but it doesn't show up good on camera. So I'm gonna just show you what it looks. Wow, it goes all the way around. I didn't notice that out there, but it goes all the way around you. That's the horizontal. Here's the vertical. I was able to see it fine to get my job done, and I'm happy with it. Also, the receiver clamps onto the stick. I already had the stick, but I like the clamp that gives you your height. I'll be able to use this when I'm putting in the septic system to make sure that I have the correct fall for my drain field and all of that. Anyway, Dovoh H3-360G, 3-plane laser level. I'll have your product link in the description, and if there's a discount code with it, I'll put that in there too. Dovoh H3-360G, 3-plane laser level. I like it.